this year, Nest finally made it possible to balance the HVAC system for different areas of their home without using multiple thermostats. The temperature sensor, a small wireless disc that can be placed throughout your home, allows the Nest system to configure its programming to the temperature of a specific room instead of installing the thermostat. The temperature sensor works with the third-generation Nest Learning Thermostat and Nest Thermostat E, and can be purchased for $39 or in 3 packs for $99. In many ways, the temperature sensor traps Nest to its competitor Ecobee, which has included remote sensors with its intelligent thermostats for years. It also makes balancing hot and cold areas in your home much easier than using a single Nest thermostat on the wall. If you constantly adjust the temperature setting of your thermostat throughout the day to compensate for where you are in your home at any given time, remote sensors eliminate the need for that. But as I discovered by testing the temperature sensor in my house this summer, the whole experience could be significantly improved. The temperature sensor configuration is as simple as pulling the battery tab on the back of the disc and adding the device to the Nest application. The sensor uses Bluetooth to communicate with the main thermostat, and has a replaceable lithium battery that lasts up to 2 years, according to Nest. There is a plug hole on the back of the sensor so you can mount it on the wall, but you can also place it on a shelf and it will work the same way.